Welcome back to Homesteading Cheaper by the Dozen. Today we're going to be showing you our tack shed that me and Turner built, and the pond's looking good today. And we're also saddling horses. Hey Turner, you want to show us what you got?
What's up, man?
Show us a few things that you built on the tack shed.
Alright, so me and you, we threw up this hitching post right here. Pretty useful. Get the horse out of the way. See it?
Yeah, it's a hitch. Me and Turner built this hitching post.
Then over here we started out with the look out, guys.
Go to Maya, go to Maya, go to Mommy. No, yes.
So over here we started out with the saddle stands. Put them out. Look pretty sturdy, real sturdy. We got 12 of them.
I can't go.
Don't quite have them all full. We still got one left. We got a rack in the back with some space under it for feed. We got shelves here for tack and parts, and then we got we're gonna put pegs across right here for all the tack that we're hanging up. Built the front, and this door fits in here really good. Got a lock built up on it to slide across. Eventually we're gonna put a padlock on it, but then we got the run-in pin right here. Lined up really nice, just picketed so they can't get through it. And awesome